Chapter 4, the human body. The human body is like a machine. It has many parts. The body parts are organs which work together as a system. These parts are made to stand erect, walk, play and eat. Let us know about our body parts. Organ system. The human body is made up of millions of tiny things called cells. They are the structural and functional unit of life. Similar kind of cells join together to form a tissue. A group of tissue from organs. Some organs work together in a group to do one kind of work. Such group is called an organ system. Here we shall discuss about this system in detail. Nervous system. How do we remember the way to our school or office? Why do we laugh when we hear a joke? Do you know which organ has helped us to imagine? It is the brain. Our brain controls everything we do, even when we are asleep. Our nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. It is the highway along which our brain sends and receives information about what is happening in the body and around it. The brain looks like a giant wrinkled walnut. It has two sides and each side controls different things. The left side of brain helps in writing, numerical skills, reasoning and thinking. The right side of brain helps in doing creativity, music, art, using of symbols and pattern recognition. Both sides work together to do complex tasks. Skeletal system. Skeletal system is made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments and tendons. Our body is made up of four main types of bones. Long bones, like the bones in our arms and legs. Short bones, like the bones in our hands, feet and spine. Flat bones, which protect our organs and provide a place for muscles to attach. Irregular bones, which are simply all the bones that are not long, short or flat. An adult human has 206 bones, while a newborn baby has 270 small soft bones. As the child grows, the bones join together and its skull hardens. The bones in our head make the skull which protect the brain. The rib cage protects the heart and lungs. The backbone protects the spinal cord. It is made up of 33 small bones or vertebrae. The places where the bones meet are called joints. Muscular system. Muscles are responsible for our body's every movement. Muscles keep our gut from sagging and lungs from pounding. All our actions like leaping, bending or running are the result of muscle action. A muscle makes itself smaller when it contracts and larger when it relaxes. There are three types of muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the hollow parts of the body. This would be in the places like stomach, intestine, blood vessels and bladder and are not under our control. Skeletal muscles move and support the skeleton. They make up 50% of our body weight and are under our control. Our heart is made up of cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles never get tired and never stop working until we die. Respiratory system. We all need oxygen to live, which is obtained from air. Without oxygen, we cannot survive more than a few seconds. Breathing happens automatically and we do not even have to think about it. The primary function of the respiratory system is to supply the blood with oxygen and hence deliver it to all the parts of the body. The respiratory system does this through the breathing. The air that we breathe in through our nostrils or mouth goes down the windpipe to trachea. The trachea is composed of about 20 rings of tough cartilage. It divides into two tubes called bronchi. Are bronchus for each lung. They carry air into each lung. Inside the lung, the tube divides into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the end of each of these tubes are small air sacs called alveoli. It is here that the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. The oxygen in the air passes into our bloodstream. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of the vessels and the muscles that help and control the flow of blood around the body. This process is called circulation. The main parts of the system are the heart, arteries, capillaries and veins. As blood begins to circulate, it leaves the heart from the left ventricle and goes into the aorta. The aorta is the largest artery in the body. The blood leaving the aorta is full of oxygen. This is important for the cells in the brain and the body organs to do their work. The oxygen-rich blood travels throughout the body in its system of arteries into the smallest arterioles. On its way back to the heart, the blood travels through a system of veins. As it reaches the lungs, the carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and replaced with fresh oxygen that we have inhaled through the lungs. Digestive system. The body needs food to live. We eat food to give our body energy to do work. But just getting the food into the body is only a small part of the process. The food must be broken down into chemicals that the body can use. The whole process is called digestion. Some of the organs involved in digestion are the mouth, stomach, small and large intestines. The mouth and teeth are the first step which helps to break down the food. The front teeth cut the food and the back teeth grind the food. When food is being chewed, saliva is spitted into the mouth which helps to soften the food. After chewing, the food goes into the stomach. In the stomach, it mixes with the digestive juices from the stomach. The food reaches the small intestine. Excretory system. The human excretory system functions to remove waste from the human body. This system consists of specialized structures and capillary networks that assist in the excretory process. The human excretory system includes the kidney and its functional unit, the nephron. The excretory activity of the kidney is modulated by specialized hormones that regulate the amount of absorption within the nephron. There are about 2 million nephrons in our both kidneys.